Hi, welcome to Python. Learn the basics and go pro. Python has become one of the most popular but also important programming languages in 2018 and for some time now. Some media has also stated that Python is the main skill that companies are looking to hire in 2019. So it's a very good thing that you're in this course now, because here we're going to learn everything you need to know in order to be able to program in Python. The first step that we're going to see is a very brief history of Python, then how to install and create virtual environments with Anaconda. Then we're going to see from how simple variables work to being able to create your own custom modules or packages in order to create functionality in Python. The idea is that you will be able to create your own programs, but get that job that you want or increase your knowledge in a new programming language. Everything in less than 90 lectures and some quizzes. Start now, and remember, always keep learning.